Hey, it's Brandon Kickstart PPC, and today I'm going to be showing you what you can get when you spend $20 or £20 per campaign on your foundational campaigns. There's a month's worth of results, gives you an idea on our structure, how it works, what you can expect from a new product if you use the right strategy and build up your reviews. So let's jump in the video and we'll get into all the nitty gritty. Now, to give you some insights, this is a phrase match at the top, this is a broad, this is an exact match, and this is a defensive branded keyword campaign. So when it comes to performance, obviously the broad didn't perform as good, and that's because we don't have too many negative keywords already set up. There's a new campaign, it's only been running for just over a month, so we have limited data, but from what we did for the start, this is the results we got. And this is our product starting from scratch, limited exposure, and it was able to get a pretty good amount of sales on these campaigns. And you know, at this point, organic is probably about 35% of the sales. So we've been able to grow the organic as well as the PPC. Now, if you've seen our other videos, you've probably noticed that we don't have sponsored brand video in there, and that's correct. Typically, we would set up a phrase and exact match sponsored brand video campaign. But because we don't have that, and in a lot of cases, customers won't have a video yet for a new product, we like to deviate into other match types, such as defensive campaigns, maybe try an auto or a broad. Broad match, we like to have some negative targets in there. So if you're starting off, you know things that you want to add in, you have that negative keyword bank, that will work as well. But we like to make sure that the broad match has a limited budget. So $20 or £20, that's fine. Going too high on that at the start doesn't really work. And as you can see, we didn't max out the budget, so we used only $10 really per day for the last 30 days. But you know, for these, such as the phrase match, we almost maxed out the budget for that. So you want to take that into account when setting up your foundational campaigns. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. Make sure you're going around 30 targets per campaign. Good amount of targets so you get a good amount of reach, and that should help you get the right foot when you're starting off. You also want to have your review strategy in place, so using things such as Vine or any other program that you think you can get reviews on. And we always recommend you use white hat ways, so always follow Amazon's terms of service. It's really difficult sometimes to build reviews with Amazon's terms of service, but because of the things that can happen, we recommend you follow all of Amazon's rules. Don't skew off on that. And, you know, that's the best way to run your business. That deactivation notice is the last thing you want to see, especially when you've invested to launch a new product and you haven't reaped the benefits of that launch yet. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, definitely subscribe to the channel because we're releasing a ton of Amazon FBA and PPC related content. So we'll be going into a lot of different topics, a lot of things that you won't want to miss, and things that will benefit your business. So if you subscribe to the channel, you won't miss out on a thing. In the case that you're struggling with your Amazon PPC, or you just don't have the time to manage things as you did before because you're busy by other parts of the business, well, that's where we come in and we can potentially help you out. So our email is in the description, and I'd be more than happy to have a chat with you. If you email us, I'll hop on a call with you. We can go through your account, figure out what your pain points are, what's going on with your account, and potentially figure out a solution in our audits that we do. So if you're interested in that, definitely contact us, and I'll be more than happy to have a chat with you. And until the next video, hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you then. Bye.